Look how me neat, look how me sweet. Make me hear you say gun pan teeth move. Look how me neat, look how me sweet. Make me hear.
Hold. Boot it up. Yeah, my next Ninja Man video, yeah. Ninja Man, I talk about this clash with him versus Merciless and Beanie and Bounty on his side, and he trade him get Queen or Queen. The video interesting. Me not too chat it out.
You gun them. You want to hear that? Yes. You gun them. Alright, listen to this. Killer. Me did I want them. Level. Watch me round. Killer. Me did I want them. Them gun like them no hear them. Yeah. Want them, want me to fear them. Go ask Bounty Killer, go ask cheer them. When me say, hey, me tell no long run short gauge. The boy will kill me no bad yet. Left boy body the dog in a dark bed. Bright light and bitter on the darling. And I bring them in and one again. And you say before me, I go murder about 10 of them. Friendship, all them to kill you. And them can't kill me. I don't know kill up him bad. Them a top out me sin bad. Murder boy, how can I see when you think on? Bury them like big land.
General, hey, I will not free no man. I be all that so for me defend it. I me no give a fuck Chris Potter.
I said to listen them. Me now get no forward from you, no ground out. Try to go and slap up around out. If you no freak and not follow your pride. Look over, I said to I can swear. Yeah. You know woman but no girl can't take in the face like swear. Not at all. Well, I'm not sure we give them from the violent days of Dima. And they will divide it to the empress. Show them that they're living in the high brow. Yo, sound safe, well, come to the blah, blah. Pull it in there, pull it in there, hold up, stand to listen to them.
Or the two-faced grenade boom. Them look like toothpaste. When me bounce this, that fish a move big. Bulletproof face, I say, on a bulletproof face. You want bulletproof face. Bulletproof face, ain't worried and shit. When I'm down, it's in the bullet. Hey! Bad man a run me, motherfucker. Get possible car. Let come a dog and then watch him. No, say you're not like. Mixing up. Got me rolling around the place when the domestic approaches it. Down the place when the rounds and he raised. Alright, look at those singing up. A gunshot picking them from the violent and then they coming to the entrance. To them and know anything on the hand.
Yo, then hey, them a part of stage show you so nice in the man. Unity in a dancehall man. And who kick it off? Ninja Man, the original Dan Gargan. Hey, Bounty no easy, no man. Bounty sing it Beanie Man this. Right when Beanie Man the past stage. Well, yeah, man. Ninja Man, great, man. Almost everybody on the arm stage, I can know. Keep Rich bad too. I don't know the next guy. Sizzler, Beanie, Bounty. Yo, I miss the days in a dancehall, man. A stage where you get your money's worth. Anyways. Here I know.
Merciless is the first DJ where ever get a tiger and kill Ninja Man, you know. And he not only kill, whether me no business with them all say. I lose a Jam World, 2,000. Bounty Killer lose, 2,000. Beanie Man lose, 2,000. What you do with that here, where you do with it? Nothing! What you do with it?
Traveling the world.
And do what with it?
Talk to us about the security. Talk to us about the security. You need to go find some tune right now and put out there about bad like shoes.
I don't know what you're talking about.
This is not a shoes war.
Me can't use everything where you come and stage with and kill you with it.
This is not a shoes war. And the one time this
lyrics.
This is not one time when you talk about a foolishness and some people don't say people say ray. You got to talk some things sensible now.
Alright. You see, Ninja admit say Merciless I only man kill him a sting. Beanie Man get dead too. Bounty get dead too, or night rather. And what did he do with all that fame and hype, Merciless? Merciless say he traveled the world. And then I tell Ninja Man say must switch up in flow, which Ninja Man did in years to come. But the boss they are jail now. And so I look a piece Miss Clasher with Ninja Man and Merciless. And even though Merciless win, Ninja Man still had a good night. Watch her.
Are you
Hey, in my opinion, this is a top 5 best clash. If number 1 clash, no matter what, I don't care. Everybody have their own opinion. At the Beanie and Bounty's clash, because that is clash redefine dancehall and then 2 artists then. A most impactful clash. But this is clasher. 3 somebody dead one time. The only other person to do that was Ninja Man when Ninja Man killed the 4 of them over Sting. Me always start about it. Yeah man, I think at 89 Sting. But moving forward, that was a good clash.
Look how me neat, look how me sweet. Make me hear you say gun pan teeth move. Look how me neat, look how me sweet. Make me hear. Hold on. Kiss me neck back, what them talking? Me and the girl I was a me carry this thing. Kiss me neck back, what them talking? Me and the girl I was a me carry this thing. Boy move, oh no take me simple. Boy move, oh no go get to no cup. Now no ready for the done. Ready for the gargan. Hold on, Derek. Hold on. DJ! Me tell you no sound up to come here tonight. Leng, specialist. And all this stuff very massive. You don't see a DJ if you're dead today. You don't come and sing or work alone. You come here to kill people. Where them there?
Oh, take time, Gaga.
If you want a DJ, well up, bow down. Do a easy take a shop right now. If you want a DJ, if you treat girls sweet, don't jump around the valley gun pan. Because make me hear you say gun pan teeth. Jump back.
Gun pan teeth. This ice thing where Shabba Ninja sitting there. Murder Shabba over stadium. Shabba come with him long pants, catch him down an anchor. And I chat about Ninja bow. Get the gargan bring go. One of my favorite Ninja Man video. Right now the video they're on the channel around 2 or 3 times already. But guess what? We don't care. We are watching it one more time. Go on again.
Watch out. A reality on the one. Let me hear you say that gargan. Let me tell you a reality on the one. Derek. Them a talk about Gilbert, but Gilbert was just a warning. And them a talk about Flora, but Flora was just a warning. And them said 79 blood was a warning. Derek, watch out. I said the watermen, the firemen, policemen strike. Them the strike, they a joke. Soldiers and the lawyers and the doctors strike. Them stadium. You know, wait till when Mars gonna strike. Mars gonna strike. We better watch what the fuck with them. Let me tell you when Master got strike 3 months a day and 1 month a night. Can you imagine in your eyesight? You was 1 whole month but a night. Tell me if them the same thing right. Jump around your love almighty tonight. Let me. Hey, hold on. Me wanna know if you not decide to tell Ninja Man boy one stage show. I wanna hear you boo Ninja. Me say no say boo, no call me name boo. Them say boo to me a stay fire.
The gargan get boo and cut. Man a real entertainer. All when man not dress up, the man still dress up. Yo. Yeah, me watch Ninja Man live anywhere between 2000 and 2002. Unity Splash, Westmoreland, Jamaica. Yeah man, and the boss work. The entire time man born to the fallout, me think. The man work his stage, man. Ninja great, man. Ninja great. Top 10 greatest dancehall artists of all time. Anyways, like the video, leave a comment, share the video, subscribe. Peace. Stay blessed. Don't stress. Yes.